Hi friends, happy Friday! Let's get our celebration on. We are going to start with some Gigi or ST Math celebrations. Awesome job, David, Zoe, Raul, Sammy, Alex, and Misalia. Look at all the puzzles they have completed this week. On this page, it looks like Zoe has completed the most puzzles on ST Math. On this page, we have even more people who have made really good progress on ST Math. Jackie, Navian, Emery, Diego, and Isabella. On this page, it looks like Isabella completed the most puzzles on ST Math. Now we have all the friends who met their goal on Lexia. Great job, Udiel. Udiel passed his goal 4 times. Remember, our goal is 10 units. All these people got 10 units or more. We have some celebrations for some certificates. Great job, Jackie, for passing level 10. Hip, hip, hooray! Great job, Sammy, for passing level 5. Whoop, whoop, yeah! Great job, Udiel, for passing level 10. Finally, let's talk about Google Classroom. Test Wednesday, question 6 said, Sam and Bill are having a beanbag throwing contest and need to measure each of their throws. You can choose the most appropriate tool to measure their throws: ruler, paper clips, meter stick, or centimeter cubes. Explain your answer. Let's listen to what Kaden said.
A meter stick because it takes shorter time.
That's right. A meter stick is longer, so it would take shorter time. You guys did such a great job. Comment below celebrating some of your friends that we saw in the video, and have a really good long weekend. See you soon on Tuesday.